About 1.5 years ago, somebody sent me a picture of a deck board and I thought it was real wood. And I was like, why? It was just on a white table and it was kind of not a great picture. And I was like, why are you sending me these pictures of oak? You know what I mean? This was what it was. And this is the board that every decking manufacturer out there has filled 30 dumpsters with, trying to figure out how to make something like this. And it's a direct 3D inkjet onto composite with a wear layer over it. So they can 3D scan any species and recreate it on a composite board. So this wood actually exists in their sampling. And most of these, you could lay this whole field without recreating a single board. Most of the species. So, and this is also fiberglass reinforced. Make a board that looks like real wood and I'll never use another board again.